I got that right at the beginning of the video. I don't want to end this series, but there's gonna be so many videos.
I know. I think it'll be worth it.
I got it.
Especially with our weird conversation.
I got it again. Oh my god. My luck has changed from the beginning of the year.
And this is what we've been looking forward to all year long.
Ever since April, I've been having trouble getting the lightning shots.
Although that may have actually been a little bit too intense for you at the beginning. I never thought they were going to be too intense like that.
June 10th. If you were at my house June 10th. You were probably asleep. It was 7:30 in the morning.
Yeah, but that probably wasn't tornadic lightning.
Oh, yes, it was. It
Lightning?
struck my house.
That doesn't necessarily mean it's tornadic.
Well, still, you could see it, and it looked the same as the bolts we were seeing.
How close that hit. Some of those hit way within a mile.
But they weren't very loud. Oh, yeah,
those
actually.
Those crackles, though. Woo.
You could see them, and oh, that was nice. Yeah, the birds don't know. Whoa, what the heck? Is that a bear?
Oh my gosh, it is. Look at the ears.
You're bored. You need to calm down. Get your meds.
I could say, whoa, whoa,
He's on it again. He won't know what that means until we upload some more NASCAR Rumble video.
I did it way better in the video. Oh, the berries.
Somehow this has turned into NASCAR Rumble. I hope you watch those videos, as if you're watching my storm videos. I hope you watch Extreme Weatherman 08's videos too. He's got some good storms.
So does lightning catcher. We've been catching some good lightning bolts tonight.
That's why I'm called the lightning catcher. For this storm right here defines my YouTube name.
I have a feeling we're going to get some good screenshots out of these.
I could change my profile pic. Oh, I got it again.
Was that a double bolt?
I don't know.
That looked like it was.
There's a plane going into that.
Smart plane. It's flying right over. Maybe it's not over yet. It might start flying again, actually. Maybe no lightning, but...
Well, if it starts raining again, we can just sit in the Jeep and watch the rest of the lightning. Because we've got a...
Gas leak. Holy cow. I was facing that direction.
What'd you say?
You had a gas leak.
Oh. I'm sorry. I'm getting these bolts and we're screwing around there.
But I just changed it to the white.
That's over there in the northwest. Northeast. I wish it was in the northwest too. I'm not. Oh, I got that. Yeah, it's in the northeast a little bit too.
That's weird. You're singing Wizards in Winter, but yet it's not even close to it. It's kind of the opposite of Wizards.
Hey, it's our show music. Our marching band show music.
Wizards, Lincoln Marching Eagles, 2011. Check us out.
But when we get on there,
Indiana State Fair Band Day. Oh, there's a fluff ball.
I hate those. One of those went in my mouth.
Are you serious?
Yeah, on camp week, one of those went in my mouth. I got another bolt, by the way.
That's landing. Fuzzball, fluff ball, I don't know what you call it. It's cotton ball, really, but...
This could be considered heat lightning.
No, I'm not actually hearing any thunder. That probably would not be lightning, though.
No, the heat lightning's just up in this. Oh wow, this whole cloud right here looks good.
Yeah.
Okay, that looks actually kind of...
That's probably what did that guy call it? A scud cloud? Is that what he called it?
Scud clouds on the ground.
I'm gonna
Yep, those are your keys. Good job.
sit down section 2.
Drying off.
Maybe it's just evaporating all the water.
All that steam is what. That's where all
looks
that.
like a clown's hat with a blue clown.
I got it.
The clown's hat?
No, the lightning bolt. Wow. Have you gotten bolts? You've gotten the same bolts I have, haven't you?
Pretty much. There were a few times at the beginning where I was facing. I didn't know which way to face.
I knew which way to face. I was over there, and that's where I was staying.
Yeah, but that was at that time the east had pretty much the east and the north.
I got another good bolt.
I don't think that was a camera because I was looking straight up at the bolt before. It was double. That looked like ball lightning.
The lightning's weird, especially when it moves away. The beginning, it was awesome.
Yeah, it was just insane, all the way from the northwest to the north to the northeast.
That cloud is moving backwards. That is not good.
We were having trouble deciding if those trees were
It's not good.
which way to focus on. Right?
There is rotation up there. I don't know if you can see it. Incredible level.
We probably only got maybe around a fourth or a fifth of the bolts when it first started because we there was just everywhere.
Oh. I can't believe it's still going.
Now this is not much.
See, we could march out here at night if we had more lights. I'm telling you, we could definitely march.
We could go ahead and march right now if we really wanted to. We might get people out of their apartments though. Especially if we started playing motion.
Oh man. Oh well, I'm gonna end this series because on that awesome lightning bolt. So that's the end here. I'm gonna give my camera a break. It's getting kind of hot. So if anything else happens, then I'll be here to record it. Till then, this is the Lightning Catcher signing off for now.